In this video, I will show you how to use Odoo Accounting Software. So to find it, head over to odoo.com/app/accounting and you should be able to see in here this particular website. So in here, you can see this. So click onto the Start Now, it's free option. And then from in there, it should be able to redirect you to the trial of Odoo itself. Input right here your details. So let me input right here my details. After that, input right here the primary interest and click on the Start Now option. Now, once we have done that, it should be able to redirect us to the things trial and it will set up the accounting software for us. So for this case, just wait for this to finish loading right here. Here we have our accounting software. Head over and click onto this one. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here. So you can add in here sale, purchases, miscellaneous operation. You can add in here your bank as well in order to actually match invoices automatically using this particular software. You can drag and drop purchases or send a bill to this particular email, and in here you should be able to send that and then you can track it using this case.